Oi, I'm not going to make it for the meeting in time. Please, can you cover for me? My car has a breakdown. Hey, boy, Vamcom can't do it. Oh, Trust Truck Spares?
Mr. Sianele seems to be under pressure, but it only takes quick service with Trust Truck Spares.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
I know this is Trust Truck Spares. Would you please help me to fix my car?
No problem.
It's no longer a dream for me. This is the better place for me to be, where I can fix my car, do the car polishing, full engine service, panel beating, and everything that I need for my car. Thank you. Oh, I'm ready for the meeting. Bye-bye.
Trust Truck Spares, we are found along Lumumba Road, opposite Panganan Filling Station. A better place to perfect your vehicle. Call us on 0978 616468.